For our tidal waves project, we decided to study Miami Beach, Florida. Miami is a popular tourist destination, being one of the world's most famous cities. Miami is known for its gorgeous beaches, vibrant nightlife, beautiful weather, and diverse wildlife. Commonly known as one of the most diverse cities in America, Miami is filled with people of all different backgrounds and ethnicities. In fact, there are several major cultural festivals that take place in Miami, including the Calle Ocho Festival and Carnival Miami. Miami, Florida is one of the most dynamic and lively cities this country has ever known. In Miami, the high and low tides occurred at approximately the same time every day and had similar heights each time. The average high tide was 2.32 feet and the average low tide was 0.34 feet. The vertical shift was 1.33, the amplitude was 0.99, the period was 5 pi over 31, and the horizontal shift was 0.72. We used all these elements to create our own cosine equation in order to predict the height of tidal waves in Miami Beach, Florida. Our cosine equation was y equals 0.99 of cosine 5 pi over 31 times x minus 0.72 plus 1.33. Another natural phenomenon predictable by a periodic sine or cosine curve are sound waves, radio waves, microwaves, and electromagnetic waves. Our model is actually very similar to the actual data, and in fact they are almost identical. As you can see, the model and actual data often overlap one another. In the first day, the model height of the low tides was a little higher than what was reported. The second day was almost the same, and in the third day, the high tides were a little lower than what the model predicted, but overall, the cosine model was very accurate. We can use our cosine model to make predictions regarding the height of tidal waves in the future. We found that the height of the tidal wave at 11 a.m. on the sixth day was 0.37 feet, and the height of the tidal wave at 6 a.m. on May 30th, 2016 was 1.68 feet. To make these predictions, we simply plugged in the number of hours away from the starting point as the x value in our cosine equation. After that, we took the y value to find the height of the tidal wave.